Let's do it to them. Right, gonna make a pumpkin pie. Never had pumpkin pie, don't even know what it tastes like. We don't even really get this in England. It's more of an American thing. I got a tin of pumpkin filling, 100% natural pumpkin. Gluten-free, nice. And everything I need to go with it. Cloves, ginger, and cinnamon, hey. I don't know anything about making pastry, so I'm definitely not gonna try and make pastry. I cheated and got like a ready-made one that's already made. Ready. All I really have to do is mix all of that in a bowl, put it in the pastry, put it in the oven, make it hot, and it should be a pie. Within reason. Here goes nothing. Okay, so, pumpkin mix. What does it say? Short crust pastry. Yep. 2 large eggs lightly beaten. The can of this. Sugar. Easy. Half a teaspoon salt. Cinnamon. Ground ginger. Ground cloves. Why not? And condensed milk. Okay, I don't have condensed milk, but I have evaporated milk. I don't know what the difference is. It's milk, right? Let me see if I can open this without destroying it. Okay, good. I'm not going to throw away the casing because you need it, somebody told me. Is there any instructions on what to do with it? Hey, just don't break it, okay? The oven's gonna be 180 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. All I gotta do now is mix all of this into a bowl. 2 eggs, lightly beaten. Oh, shit. It's fine, don't worry about it. I could try this, or I could use this thing, like this. Sure. All right, whatever. I'm not gonna go nuts, that's fine. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it looks like dog food if it was carrots. Bruh. Let's convince this to come out of the... Okay. Oh yeah. Well, that looks like carrots. Actually, the more I smell it, the more I like it. Just smells kind of nice. Yeah. That's just pumpkin and eggs now. So I have no idea what I'm doing, you know. I don't bake. Sugar, 170 gram. 170? Oh my god. That's an incredible amount of sugar. Well, I don't know how many calories this thing's supposed to be, but let's go with a lot. It's definitely a lot. Now we've got an earth's worth of sugar in it. Half a teaspoon of salt. Like that, right? Hey, that's very salty. This feels like a lot compared to this, but that's fine. I don't think you really have to do it in this order. It makes 8 servings. Haha, you are wrong. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now trust me, I know, I could definitely just use 2 of these, right? But I don't want to get the salty salt in there. 1 teaspoon, yeah, of ground cinnamon. Ooh, it smells like a candle. We can make a mess, it's okay. Half a teaspoon of ground ginger. Oh god, some already fell in the bowl. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. It's a good thing we've got these. Oh wow, this smells like a candle as well. The kind of candles you get around Halloween and autumn, what they smell like, I think that's what this pie is going to taste like. So when they say pumpkin spice latte, I think what they actually mean is pumpkin pie latte. Milk. Let's find out what evaporated milk looks like. Is it thick? No, it is not thick. Ah, shit. Oh, damn shit. Oh, alright, there we go. Okay, the lid fell in. That's fine. Okay. Alright, here we go. Oh, shit. 296. 286? 285. This seems so wet. Like, this is not a thick mix. Okay, I think that's all the ingredients. So all I've got to do now is pour it into the pastry case and bake for 40 to 50 minutes, or until a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. I don't think it's getting any more mixed than that. I think it's going to be hard to pour that into a pie, so I'm going to pour this into a jug first. Oh, this isn't going to make a mess, is it? Oh, God. Bruh. Hey, like I said, it's fine to make a mess, as long as you clean it up. So there's our mix, and there's my pie. I don't want to fill it right to the top, so I'm probably gonna go just below one of these peaks here. This is clearly way too much mix. Let's do it. This actually looks pretty tasty. Yeah, that's kind of what I had in mind. I think that's it. I don't think I want to push my luck, to be honest. I mean, that looks very, very liquidy, but that's fine, I guess. So I'm going to put it in the oven. Here goes the very liquidy pumpkin pie, kind of. Oh my God. Don't spill it. Don't spill it. Okay, good. So I'm going to set a timer for 40. Or an hour and 11. All right. And I'm going to check on it at 40. See what it looks like. Okay, so I thought that because I've got a pint's worth of mix left, maybe it's not going to take 40 minutes. So I'm going to check it at 20. If it's at all wobbly, then I'm not even going to try it. But if it's not, I'm going to stab it and see if the knife comes out clean. Is it wobbly? No, it's not. That's hard to say.
Call an ambulance!
Well, no, it's not. I don't think that's ready. I'm going to let it go another 10 minutes. So when it gets to 10 left, I'll check it again. Okay, so I'm more nervous for this one because I'm worried about underbaking it or overbaking it. If I were to guess, I'd say it was done. Hey, the knife came out clean. Yeah, the knife's coming out clean. I'm gonna stop. For me, it looks like it might be a little overdone, but I'd rather it be on this side than underdone and raw, especially since it has eggs in it. So I'm happy to leave that to cool for, I don't know, half an hour to an hour. Okay, so I made it. I don't know if it's done properly, but all I gotta do now is wait half an hour to an hour. See if I messed it up or if I made pie properly. Yeah, I'm just looking forward to trying it with some whipped cream, some whipped cream, some squirty cream. It smells pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it does smell pretty good. So I guess we'll see. It's kind of dark around the edges, especially on the crust, but I think it looks all right. So I'm gonna try and get it out of this pastry case. Oh, you can just bend the case away like that. Hey. Okay, I'm gonna try and slice it. So I'm gonna cut this slice in half. And try this. On top? On top. Okay. I think it's maybe a little raw along the bottom, if Great British Bake Off has taught me anything. But I think if I left it in there too long, the crust would start to go too dark. But who cares? All that matters is what it tastes like, right? Moment of truth. Oh, wow. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, I like that. It reminds me of what Starbucks actually put on top of their lattes. With everything. With the cinnamon and the cloves and everything. Not just the pumpkin mix. Yeah, I think it might be a little bit raw on the bottom. But I don't care. I'd say that's a success. Pretty good. Not bad.